In this video, I'll guide you through how to download and export contacts from PracticePanther. If you need a copy of your client or contact list, PracticePanther makes it easy to export your information into a spreadsheet. This can be useful if you're creating a backup, preparing records for reporting, sharing data with your team, or moving to another software platform. The entire process only takes a few moments. Also, keep in mind that PracticePanther updates its interface from time to time. So if your screen looks slightly different from what's shown in this tutorial, some buttons or menu locations may have changed. But the overall process should remain very similar. To begin, sign into your PracticePanther account and wait for the dashboard to load completely. Once you're on the home screen, look across the blue navigation bar at the top of the page and click on Contacts. This will open the complete list of contacts currently stored in your PracticePanther account. After the Contacts page loads, take a moment to review your list and make sure you're in the correct section. When you're ready to export everything, look toward the right-hand side of the page for the Spreadsheet or Excel-style Export button. This button is used to download your contact information into a spreadsheet file. Click the Export button, and a small menu will appear with available export options. From that menu, select Export All. This tells PracticePanther to include your entire contact list instead of exporting only selected records. After you choose Export All, the system will begin preparing your file. Depending on the size of your contact list and your internet connection, this may take anywhere from a few seconds to a little longer. Once the export is complete, your browser will download the spreadsheet file automatically. After the download finishes, locate the file on your computer and open it using your preferred spreadsheet application. Inside the spreadsheet, you'll find your exported PracticePanther contacts organized into rows and columns, making it easy to review, sort, search, or save as a backup. If you plan to import the contacts into another application later, it's also a good idea to review the spreadsheet first to ensure all of the information exported correctly. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can create a complete export of your PracticePanther contact list whenever you need it. Hopefully, this guide helped you download and export contacts from PracticePanther. If it did, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.